Check it out. Hey, we've got some humans out the human tank. Hello, human kids. Oh, hello. Hey, dude. Sure. Hi, what's your name, Eddie, man?
King.
Oh, nice to meet you. Hey, California King. What's your question, dude?
How does it feel like to be a turtle?
Oh, dude, it's awesome. I mean, I just love living down here in the big old blue. I mean, check it out, dude. It's totally beautiful down here. You know, I got all my fishy friends, my familias down here. I go swimming and surfing whenever I want. Got all the food I can eat, dude. It's pretty epic, man. Hey, what about you, dude? Like, what's life like up on the land?
It's great.
Oh, really? Like, what are some of the things that you do?
I play Xbox and my Fortnite and my Roblox and my Minecraft.
I beg your pardon?
Yes, I am the most unfortunate person in the whole world.
Wait, what is a Xbox?
Xbox is like this gaming system where you like can play a whole bunch of games and it's really fun.
Oh, yeah, games are cool, dude, yeah.
Games? I love
hey,
games.
little Blue.
Oh, pick me.
Okay, let's play hide and seek since I don't know how to play Fortnite. Hey, Dory, you go do the hiding and we'll try and find you, okay? Hey, everybody totally close your eyes.
Okay, open them.
Okay, if you didn't see Little Blue, totally shout out where she is. Dory, where are you? Oh, down here? Oh, okay. I don't see her over here. This thing is?
It's a cheering thing when someone wins a game, like baseball or anything.
Like, how do I use it? Like, what do I do?
You just raise your finger and shout out, "Yay!"
Yay! Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Would this protect me from one of those vicious dogs?
No, not at all.
Then I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back right now. Hey, thanks for your help, bro. You sound totally rock!